This is a picture of the 96-hour introductory course to say goodbye to diabetes, led by Japanese nutrition expert Atara, a member of Japan Diabetics Association. According to statistics from the Ministry of Health, in the past 10 years, the number of people with diabetes in our country has increased by 230%. With this number, India is one of the countries with the highest number of people with diabetes in the world, but don't know clearly how to live with this diabetes. Regularly using products of unknown origin, leading to many people suffering severe consequences. According to Expert Atara, the most important reason why many people in the community have diabetes is mainly their diet and their daily activities. This doesn't mean that we use bad food that cause diabetes. Diabetes is caused by wrong combination of foods in the diet which cause diabetes. Therefore, people with diabetes even more wrong when they do not have a proper nutrition intake regimen. For example, drinking tea is good, but drinking it at the wrong time is not good. Similarly, eating fruit is good for the body, but eating after meals is not good. So whatever we eat, if we combine our food regimen according to the principles, we will be healthy. I believe that because India is currently a developing country, everyone is so busy and doesn't have a suitable diet. They break the rules of eating, the rules of combining food together. As a result, many people suffer from diabetes, heart disease and high blood pressure. Especially for diabetics, breaking this rule will cause blood sugar level to increase rapidly, eventually causing more complications and affecting the health of the diabetic person. Very few people understand and apply this, causing people with diabetes as well as those affected by diabetes complications to increase. So no matter what they eat, if they know how to combine it according to some principles, they will be healthy. In this 4-day course, participating patients were used in combination with the Bachi solution set, which ensures the top suitable regimen for people with diabetes. In particular, Bachi effervescence tablets are rich in carbohydrates, 20 different minerals, and especially Chimnema sylvestre, which is said to have the ability to reduce absorption of glucose in the intestine after eating, helping to control sugar level in the blood. It is also said to have the ability to reduce the sensation of sweetness when exposed to sweetness in the foods, thereby helping to reduce the need for sugar in the diet. According to Japan expert Atara, the Bachi solution set applies in accordance with the rules of Japanese Diabetes Association, which won the Nobel Prize in 2018. Our body has backup arteries. When we eat properly, the body will produce and create a substance called nitric oxide, NO, and this nitric oxide has the ability to open backup arteries. Once these backup arteries are opened, blood in the body circulates better. The mechanism that opens arteries in the body is called natural bridging mechanism. This mechanism takes a certain amount of time and occurs when the body is full of nitric oxide, meaning diabetics needs to supplement nutrition according to the rules to stimulate the body to produce nitric oxide. Based on this principle, we have created a set of Bachi solution specifically for the Indian body condition to help the body produce nitric oxide strongly and to help blood sugar levels stabilize and maintain evenness. Regularly when using the Bachi solution set, we also want to contribute a small part of our efforts to develop Indian medicine. So we have a subsidy program for Indian people. Hopefully, we can help diabetics in India have a better, healthier life without worrying about diabetes and its complications.
डायबिटीज़ को अलविदा कहने के लिए डॉक्टर अतारा के पहले 96 घंटे के कोर्स में भाग लेने के बाद मुझे रक्त शर्करा डायबिटीज़ को स्थिर करने और अपने शरीर के स्वास्थ्य को ध्यान में रखने के लिए और उसे और अधिक करने का एक अच्छा अनुभव प्राप्त हुआ। विशेष रूप से बोटाची सॉल्यूनेश सेट के आधार पर मैं जापानी डायबिटीज़ एसोसिएशन के सिद्धांत के अनुसार अपने पोषण आहार को ठीक से समायोजित कर सकती हूँ ताकि शरीर को अधिक नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड का उत्पादन करने में मदद मिले, जो डायबिटीज़ को रोकने के लिए एवं धमनियों को खोलने के लिए कार्य में आता है। रक्तचाप यानी ब्लड प्रेशर काफ़ी कम हो जाता है और रक्तवाहिका बेहतर ढंग से प्रसारित होने लगती है। वैसे भारतीय लोगों को बोटाची सॉल्यूशन किट का अधिक आसानी से उपयोग करने में मदद मिलेगी। श्रीमान अटारा को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
During the 4-day period, diabetics are provided with knowledge applicable to each person and do not use medication. They are guided on dietary principles to maintain a healthy life. During our journey, there were people with type 2 diabetes and when even people who had diabetes for 30 years. When using Bachi solution set, they have a healthier life without having any use of drugs or insulin injection. For people with diabetes 1 type, they will be able to reduce the amount of insulin injected into their body by 80 to 90% and completely stop medication. For example, a person with type 1 diabetes uses 100 units of insulin. After one period of using Bachi solution, the amount of insulin they need to inject is 30 units and the drug is completely eliminated. After 4 months of use, diabetics no longer need to inject 30 units of insulin, so the success rate is 95%. You can use this Bachi solution kit at home and you will receive direct support from my assistants. Japanese Expert Atara also really wants diabetics in India to have a better healthy life. So they have accompanied and supported diabetics to use Bachi solution set with treatment support from Rs 880 to 2199 per box.